Welcome to Pro News Flash. The yen has rallied sharply from its 40-year lows. Let's dive into the latest developments. The yen has strengthened by 5% against the US dollar following the first coordinated currency intervention by the US and Japan in 26 years. According to Bloomberg estimates, around $53 billion was spent on the first day, and $34 billion on the second. Finance ministers Scott Bessent and Satsuki Katayama noted that they were prepared to intervene in the forex market again, whilst Donald Trump described the operations as a sign of friendship with Tokyo. With a $1.1 trillion portfolio of US treasuries, Japan could have taken on speculators by itself, but selling those bonds would push treasury yields higher, something the White House wants to avoid. Citibank suggests Japan may have sold US dollars instead, using treasuries as collateral. However, Evercore Investment Bank notes that such transactions are capped at around $60 billion per day. USD-JPY wouldn't have fallen so sharply if speculators hadn't built their largest net short positions on the yen since 2024. Hedge funds in particular held their biggest bearish bets since 2007. In these conditions, even a relatively small intervention can trigger a wave of short covering. Japan has achieved its goal of strengthening the yen, but can the bears hold their ground? Tokyo's policy sends mixed signals. While the Bank of Japan is tightening monetary policy, the government is pushing fiscal stimulus. At the same time, the BOJ is buying bonds, while the finance ministry is selling them to fund currency intervention. These conflicting policies risk undermining confidence and putting renewed pressure on the yen. Another potential boost for the yen could come from Japanese investors bringing trillions of dollars back home. Goldman Sachs believes this could support the currency over the long term. But the government's plans have run into resistance from GPIF, one of the world's largest pension funds, which prioritizes returns for its beneficiaries over government policy. Stay tuned to Pro News for further updates on developments in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.